Hello friends, in this video we will create a layout of e-commerce mobile application by using Moi framework and the help of AI. So let's start the video. Open the Visual Studio. Create a new project. Here is the list of templates. So either you can directly select the .NET MOI app or you can type here to search the template. So I just select the .NET MOI app and click on next button. Give it some name. Next, next, and here we click on the create button. It will take some time to establish the folder structure. Okay, so here we are. This is the folder structure of our project. Let's open the main page.xaml. Double click. We don't need this out of the box code, so let's delete this code. Only the content page. Now go to the main page.cs and remove this code. Okay, now we have a blank project. Okay, so now we have cleaned the complete code. Let's move to the ChatGPT to generate the layout of this mobile application. Generate a boxed layout for my application. Product listing online store. So here we have the code generated by ChatGPT. Okay, let's copy this code. Move back to our application. Open the XAML page. Paste the code here in between content page tags. Okay, so we need to remove these content page tags which comes from the pasted code and remove this one. Here we can add title. Title is online store. Background color, let's say blue, light blue. Great. Control S. Let's build the project. Okay, build succeed. Now let's check it out in Windows machine first. Okay, after that, once we finalized all the changes, then we will deploy on Android emulator. So let's see in Windows machine. Okay, so now it is loaded in Windows machine layout. It looks like this: online store, our products, and here is the list of products, product name, price, add to cart button. This all code was generated by the chat GPT, and we have utilized this code in our MOI project. Okay, come back to the project and make some modifications. Okay, let's remove this our products title and add some padding and spacing. Okay, let's remove this. Padding, make it 25, and spacing, make it 30. Okay, let's see how it looks like now. Okay, here we are. So the layout looks like this. Okay, let's make some background changes and then deploy to the Android emulator. Let's close this. In resources, let's add one picture, background picture. In images, add existing. I have already downloaded one image, so I have mentioned the existing option. Go to right where I put the image. Okay, here we are. So let me use this one. Okay, change the name. Background, select. Okay, now we have in the images bg.png. Okay, come back here and background image source bg.png. That's the image we have added here. Okay, control S. Let's build. Control shift and press B button, or you can directly click the play button. It will take some time, so I'm pausing the video. Okay, so now we have our layout ready in Windows machine with the background image. Let's deploy in Android emulator. Close. Android emulator. Click. It will take some time, so I'm pausing the video. Now our application has been deployed in Android emulator. Emulator is loading the application. Okay, so here we are. Now the application has been loaded in Android emulator. These are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 applications loaded in our application with the background image, online store, the title. Okay, let's resize this. Okay, let's remove some spacing so all the 6 products can fit in our layout. Okay, now much better. Okay, so here we are. This is our application online store and the layout which was generated by the help of ChatGPT. So now you can see how easy it is to use the ChatGPT generated code in our MOI project template. So we performed a very little code, or you can say a zero code, and have this layout. Hope this video help you to start your mobile development. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.